Hi, hello. I am from SNA Technology. Today we can see IoT based smart helmet. Here we can see this is the helmet part and this is the bike part. First we can see helmet part. This is the helmet part. In this helmet part we are using Arduino Uno microcontroller, and here we are using rain sensor and alcohol sensor, accelerometer, motor driver, servo motor and amplifier, speaker and NRF module. This is the limit switch. The rain sensor is used to detect the rain. Whenever the rain is detected, that time wiper will on using servo motor, and alcohol sensor is used to alert the user. Alcohol sensor will detect the alcohol consumed by the user, and this data is sent to bike part. In that data is sent to Blink IoT platform, where the alert message is sent to concerned person. And this is the accelerometer. Using this accelerometer we are calculating the whether the person is fell down or not. Using limit switch we are sending the command. Whenever the limit switch is pressed, means the person wearing the helmet, that time limit switch get pressed, and then the command is sent to bike, then only bike will start. This is the NRF 24L0 module. Using this we are sending the data to the bike part.
This is the NRF transceiver. This is the LCD display here. And here is the ESP8266 microcontroller to connect with Blink IoT platform. Here this is the relay module to turn on the motor. Relay is used to turn on the bike. And GPS module is to locate the vehicle. And 3 ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the object nearer the bike. One for right, another is left, another one is back side. Vibration sensor is used to detect the impact or accident. Initially, the helmet part will send the signal to NRF module. If the limit switch is pressed, then only it will send the signal. Then relay will turn on. If the person is had alcohol, that time it will send signal. If that time relay will turn off. And another condition is when the accelerometer detect the fell down, that time also relay is turned off, and the location will send to the concerned person. And vibration sensor also detect the impact, and it will send the alert message. And based on the ultrasonic sensor input, right or left, whenever the sensor detect, the command is sent to helmet part. Based on that, the speaker will pronounce the object is detected at right side or left side or back side. LCD display is used to display the string called wear the helmet. Using this, we can alert the user during the bike ride. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.